grow tall, the grains appear. Golden fields at harvest near. Farmers cut and tie with care. Bundles of rice are everywhere. Rice is threshed, the husk is gone. White grain shine to pass along. Polished, packed, and sent away. Ready for meals each night and day. Boil it plain or with some spice. Soft and fluffy, warm and nice. Add to curries, soups, and more. Rice is food we all adore. Pulao is tasty, biryani grand. Kheer is sweet, a treat so planned. Sushi rolls from far away. Rice is loved in everywhere. The journey rice will take, from the field to what we make. Pulao, kheer, or sushi rice, the world enjoys this grain so nice.